For over 20 years in the water treatment business, we have had what the industry calls big blue filters. These are 4.5 by 10 inch and 4.5 by 20 inch filter housings that are, you guessed it, big and blue. Ever since their release, they have been the standard for whole house water filtration. Over time, unfortunately, these housings started being outsourced overseas, usually China, for cheaper production costs. Here at US Water Systems, we wanted to offer our customers a higher quality filter and housing that was completely made in America. And now we've done just that. Our made in the USA filter housings are not big and blue, they are big, black, and gray. So what are the differences other than the color? Well, unlike the older blue housings, ours use what is called a double O-ring positive seal. Filters without this seal will not get 100% filtration, as some of the water can escape by bypassing at the top or bottom of the filter. This is especially true under the high flow rates where the filter will flex and bend. With our filters, a double O-ring is placed firmly in the seal, absolutely assuring 100% filtration. Our Magna Filter 20-inch cartridges also have 36 square feet of material. That's 10 square feet more than any other filter on the market. So not only do they work better, they also last longer. So remember, if you want whole house water filtration, if you see blue, think older, outsourced, made in China technology. And when you see US Water Systems black and gray housings, think longer, better filtration that's made in the USA. This is why most big blue housings have a 1-year warranty, while our made in the USA gray and black housings have a lifetime warranty. When you build them better, you can guarantee them better. Of course, we also offer our own Penguin Water brand Big Blue filters that are made in Taiwan, not China. Penguin Water Blue filter housings are an economical alternative when price is the main consideration.